everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney. Today I've got some more Christmas DIYs that would be perfect for you or even perfect for a gift. Let's get crafting. For this project, we are doing a cute candle makeover. I did a Dollar Tree candle makeover in my last video as well. So for this, you need a Dollar Tree pillar candle along with a pack of the red pom-pom ribbon and white pom-pom ribbon, also found at Dollar Tree. I removed the label, and then what you're going to do is start wrapping this pom-pom ribbon around the candle. Now, I will say this is one of those time-consuming crafts. It probably took me about 40 minutes to get it done, but it definitely is an easy one to do. Now, one thing you certainly could do if you want to kind of make this candle be a little extra special is I would recommend before you wrap the candle, take your candle, melt it down in a pot. I've done that several times on my channel. I'll link a video down below with how I do that. And melt it down and then add some scent into the candle. These candles don't have any scent, so if you had a peppermint scent, that would be great because it would kind of go along with the red and white. But literally, you're just wrapping, taking turns, red, white, red, white. Now, at first, I started by securing it all the way around, and then by the time I got to the middle of the candle, I was like, oh, you know what? We're just going to tack this here and there, and that's what I did to finish it off. Now, the beauty of this pom-pom ribbon is that when you burn the candle, now unfortunately I didn't have a beauty shot of this at night, but when you burn it, there are gaps in the ribbon between the pom-poms, so you will be able to see that light reflect through the red and white. So a cute little candle makeover that doesn't cost a lot to do, but definitely a great little gift item. This next DIY is kind of my take on the giant nutcrackers people are buying that you might be seeing. Obviously, these are not quite as big as though. They're almost 4 feet tall. I got 2 of these wooden nutcrackers for $12.99 total at Hobby Lobby. So my initial plan was to paint these. And so I went in and I started marking with a pencil what colors I wanted to do where. I started to paint it, and then I don't know, it wasn't vibing, and I realized where I was going to be putting these wasn't really going to go with the colors that I wanted. So I took the easy way out. I took them outside, I spray painted them with some gold metallic paint. While they were drying, I was sitting up in my craft room, and guess what? This is what happened. Okay. So I was upstairs in my craft room and I heard this loud paper sound, and the spray paint and one of my nutcrackers blew over. His foot fell off. Yo, oh my God, please, what is going on? Okay. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the weather, but this is just ridiculous. And there you have it. You guys know I always keep it real here, so I just glued the foot back on, the one that kind of got broken, and I love how this turned out because this whole area is red and gold. These flank the bottom of my stairs, and all I did to attach them was just use some of the 3M picture strips, and I put one at the top and one at the bottom, and I absolutely love how it turned out. One more nutcracker DIY. I know you have probably seen this DIY over and over again, a dupe for some of the more expensive ones at Pottery Barn. Take yourself some Dollar Tree nutcrackers like these. I'm spray painting them with some of this gold metallic spray paint. Then I spray paint them with some of the gold glitter spray paint. I sealed them, and here they are. Now what I'm going to do to mine, instead of just setting them out, is I'm actually going to add some eye hooks to the top, and I want to put these in my kids' Hallmark theme tree, which is red and gold, but just kind of something extra in there. So I'm just screwing in some eye hooks to the top, and I got this red velvet ribbon on Amazon. I'll have everything in today's video linked down below in the description box, so just check down there. And I just tied some bows. I placed them in the tree, and I absolutely love it. This is another cost-effective way to fill a Christmas tree with some of these larger nutcrackers. You could do a whole huge set, spray paint them all different colors, a lot of options, but I do actually really love how it turned out. And I know, spray paint and glitter all in one project? Who am I? This next DIY turned out so great. So here I have some free images that I got on designbundles.net, and I printed them out on some of the HTVRont sublimation paper. I will definitely have this file from Design Bundles linked down below. I printed it on my Epson printer, and then I had some of these sublimation blank ornaments so that I could put these on here. Now, originally I did want to get some of the HTVRont. They have clear sublimation ornaments, but they were out. So for this, I ended up using these plain ceramic ones. They still turn out fabulous, but I can only imagine what they would look like on the clear. I cut out my Santas, I applied them to my sublimation blanks using some heat tape. Make sure it's heat tape. Don't just use regular Scotch tape on this kind of thing. And then I'm using my auto press, which is also from HTVRont. I absolutely love this thing. You just set it in there, slide it in, set your temperature and time, it presses it, and then you pull out the tray. Once it was cooled, I pulled off the sublimation paper, and then I attached some red velvet ribbon to these ornaments. I was just shocked at how beautiful these were. I'm going to be using these as gift embellishments for the gifts on the back. You could write the date, you could write to, from, all that good stuff on the back with the paint marker, but I absolutely love the vibrant colors and how these turned out. Here is another quick ornament idea. I'm using some of these ornament blanks from HTVRont again, and some of their metallic gold vinyl. I have to say their metallic vinyl is my favorite because it is just the brightest, most reflective and vibrant metallic vinyl in my opinion. I cut out a design that I found on Cricut Design Space in their images, applied it to the blank. Now you do have to remove the protective film on it. I applied the vinyl decal, added some red chiffon ribbon to it just to finish it off, and that's it. So if you are in the market for vinyl, sublimation supplies, blanks, definitely check out HTVRont's Black Friday sale. They have it going on now until the 27th. You can get up to 25% off items, plus extra 5% off with my code down below. Just check the description box. But again, another easy ornament idea that will take you no time at all to make. This project could definitely be a sentimental type project, or just if you love Christmas music, a good DIY for you. So I found all these free Christmas music sheet music pages on Design Bundles, and what you want to do is grab some clear ornaments. Now I grabbed my 4-pack from Hobby Lobby because it was cheaper than getting them at Dollar Tree, and I cut strips. I kind of varied the sizes to where you just have, notes and all that good stuff on the strip. And then once you got those cut, you want to wrap them around a pin. When you pull it off the pin, you just want to kind of squeeze your little round, I don't know, it kind of helps shape it and keep it in that shape. And then you're going to stick it inside of the ornament. Now, once you stick it inside the ornament, you will want to give it a little bit of a shake, and it'll kind of loosen the roll a little bit. Now you could fill it all the way to the top. I just filled these halfway. These are going to be music ornaments for my son's choir tree at his school. And then I finished off the top with red velvet ribbon. So if you have a special song that you really love at Christmas time, you could make some of these. This is another great ornament. Again, a cost-effective way to fill up a tree for really, really cheap. And as far as the beauty shot of this, well, I forgot to get one, but I'll show you a picture of the choir tree and just kind of point out where these ornaments are on the tree. And here is one more go-to DIY item. If you've got color changing vinyl, they make cold and hot color changing vinyl. This is a great and easy gift idea to do. Grab some beer can glasses. I just get mine in a pack from Amazon. Wipe it down with alcohol. Apply your design to the glass, and then watch the magic happen. I mean, you just add some ice, you add your drink, and it just changes colors. I made some with fall leaves that I really loved, and some Halloween ones, but this again is a very easy gift idea that you can make, and it really, again, does not take much time at all. this wraps up another round of Christmas DIYs. Let me know down below which one of these was your favorite. Also, let me know, how is your Christmas shopping going? Are you finished yet? Are you halfway done yet? I would love to know if maybe I'm ahead of the curve. I think I'm behind the curve, honestly. Don't forget, if you are a crafter, to check out HTVRont's Black Friday sale. Again, great deals. Everything's linked down below in the description box. I will see you guys in the next video. Here are some more you might enjoy in the meantime. See you later. Bye.